3 days after a federal judge in Washington state put Trump's travel ban on hold, the Justice Department urged an appeals court to reinstate it, challenging the nationwide injunction as vastly overbroad.
The law is very clear on this, that the president has huge discretion to protect the safety of the American people and our nation's institutions with respect to who can come into this country. This is just purely on the injunction that the judge issued. Once we win the case, it'll go right back into action.
The Seattle judge's move last Friday was based on claims that the state had suffered social and economic harm from the travel ban. He said that for Trump's order to be constitutional, it had to be based on fact, not fiction.
And the state of Washington says we have thousands of people being harmed. And frankly, the Trump administration says the only harm here is that courts are interfering with this order. That's a wild argument. Judicial review is a part of the checks and balances of the Constitution. And to say that judicial review is a harm is really just outrageous.
Tech companies, as well as former senior officials, have thrown their weight behind the judicial injunction. Google, Facebook, Twitter and Apple were among 97 companies to file a friend of the court brief with the appeals court, while John Kerry, Madeleine Albright and Leon Panetta and several others filed a declaration saying the order would undermine national security rather than make America safer. Visiting the US Central Command for the first time, Trump again defended his order.
We need strong programs so that people that love us and want to love our country and will end up loving our country are allowed in, not people that want to destroy us and destroy our country.
After initially denying a stay on the block, the Ninth Circuit Appeals Court granted an hour to hear the case from both sides. Whatever the ruling this time, it's almost certain the case will be taken up to the Supreme Court.